Good morning and welcome to my Vedanta classes. Continuing with the advanced pages. Today we are introduce a new chapter, Little Advanced Pages. Mm, you can see I have as I have mentioned already. It is already mentions every translation in Marathi. So we'll start. There are total six slides. So we'll start by one. Little advanced pages. Holding the band in one hand, he opened the door with another. I hate being told the same thing again. There is a possibility of my getting late. There is nothing worth reading in the newspaper. Since eating that food last night, I am not feeling well. This problem will not solve by going on strike. A car raced by spattering mud over us. Speaking in English is very easy. You only need to start. We choose Suresh to be our monitor as he knows how to handle change. He seems to have been fooling us. He pretended to have forgotten my name. It is fortunate to have found such good friend. It is rare. She pretends to be studying whenever I go to her home. You are not eligible to vote it. Okay, then next. I am going to pick my mother up. My mummy taught me to plait as this was very boring job to me. This is not a Mumbai where I used to live 10 years ago. You are asking me to do the impossible. The sooner we leave, the sooner we will get there. I am talking about the boy we met yesterday. Can you give me one reason why you did not do this? Whenever it is possible, I wash my clothes myself. I don't fear him, whoever he may be. There are two options. Choose whichever you think easy. However easy, however fast we work, we cannot finish this job on time. He's my best friend, but sometimes he jump in unnecessary things. I will finish this job till tomorrow somehow. I don't know exactly, but I am sure he, he or she is 14 something. I have seen you somewhere. Then third slide, she thinks himself something. I saw her going to this side with my own eyes. We have no other than to wait now. He is not one who will come without invitation. Would you like to sit next to window? It is next to impossible. This day he is working more than usual. I am very impressed by your nature. You talk too much. I have come here so many times, but these roads still confuse me. I have spent the little money I had. We should leave now or we will late. As to you, I hate you. I am going to take a week off. She can do anything except cook. Then fourth slide, he does nothing but complain. Considering the bad weather, we cancelled to go there. Everyone passed besides Hari. My handwriting is poor beside you. I can pay rupees 100 at the most. My school is just across the road. I value my family above everything else. I have yet to see Rani Raju laugh. It is too good an opportunity to miss. I paid his money back to him then then and there. I agree he has necessary ability, but when he is not a responsible but then he is not a responsible person. Let's go there tomorrow or still let's go right now. I am not so foolish to believe this. I am believe in improving myself rather than blaming others. These shoes almost match your dress but not quite right. I saw your only book. So there are three phrases you can see. Only is used in different three different category. I saw your book. I saw your only book. म्हणजे मी तुझे पुस्तक पाहिले म्हणजे तिथे आणखी काहीतरी सुद्धा होतं. देन यू कॅन से नेक्स्ट इज आय सॉ युअर बुक ओनली, म्हणजे मी तुझी पुस्तक पाहिले फक्त, म्हणजे तिथे दुसरा आहे, दुसऱ्याची पण पुस्तके होती. अँड देन थर्ड वन आय कॅन एज यू कॅन सी ओनली आय सॉ युअर बुक, म्हणजे फक्त मी तुझी पुस्तक पाहिलं. सो यू यू सी केअरफुली देर आर थ्री sentences only how we can use only by just changing this phrase, their phrase. Let us settle the matter once and for all. This is good book, and moreover the price is reasonable. We were just talking about you, I was just joking, or you can say I was just kidding. Both brothers look just like each other. I hardly ate anything yesterday. This worst experience I ever had. We did everything we could ever, so we failed. I know well enough that do we mean. Now this last page, six slide. She is clever enough to understand your trick. Why are you laughing away? She cooks very rarely, if at all. Unfortunately, brains and good looks doesn't don't usually go together. Unfortunately, brains and good look don't usually go together. Students who wish to go on the picnic should enlist their name. He made it impossible for me to say no. It is considered bad manners to make noise while eating. It is said that women are more tolerant than men. It sounds good idea. It never occurred to me that you would come here. This is the end of six slides. Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. So today, this is the end of the slides. Thank you very much and good day.